अस्सलाम-ओ-अलैकुम प्रेमी एक्सपो चैनल में खुश आमदीद। इस चैनल में हर किस्म जॉब की तैयारी कराई जाएगी। अगर चैनल पर न्यू हो तो काइंडली चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि ऐसे मज़ीद वीडियो आप तक बर वक्त पहुँचती रहे। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। Question number 41. According to the Nehru report, the parliament was to be consisted of. Answer is 2 houses. Question number 42. According to the Nehru report, the governor of provinces were to be appointed by. Answer is King of England. Question number 43. Jannah 14 points were formulated in. Answer is March 1929. Question number 44. Jannah 14 points were the Muslim reply to the. Answer is Nehru report. Question number 45. The 14 points of Jannah demanded reform in the provinces of. Answer is Balochistan and Kpsc. Question number 46. According to the 14 points of Jannah, no bill or resolution could be passed in any legislature until it was approved by. Answer is 3-4 members of concerned community. Question number 47. The Muslim representation in central legislature demanded in the 14 points was. Answer is 1/3. Question number 49. From 1930 to 1932, the British government convened in London. Answer is 3 Roundtable Conference. Question number 50. The first Roundtable Conference lasted from. Answer is 12th November 1930 to 19th January 1931. Question number 51. The renowned Indian leader who did not take part in the first Roundtable Conference was. Answer is Gandhi. Question number 52. The first Roundtable Conference conducted as a business through. Answer is 8 subcommittees. Question number 53. The second Roundtable Conference lasted from. September 1931 to December 1931. Question number 54. At the second Roundtable Conference, the Hindu leader who claimed to represent all India was. Answer is Gandhi. Question number 55. The Minorities Committee failed to reach an arrangement because Gandhi wanted to accept stance of. Answer is Nehru report. Question number 56. The third Roundtable Conference lasted from. Answer is November to 24th December 1932. Question number 57. Due to the failure of the second Roundtable Conference, the British government announced its own communal award in. Answer is August 1932. Question number 58. In March 1933, the British